Somebody call 999. We've got a cutie bomb on our hands. Oh, did you just live? Well done.
Rocky, what are you doing up there? Mum, Rocky's on the table again. He won't get down. Get down before I call Mum. I'll call Mum.
Rocky, what are you doing on the table? Get down. Don't go. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. True. I have an important question to ask you. I have a really important question. Can you look at me for a second? Are you my best friend? Are you my best friend? Do you?
Don't be suspicious. 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 Don't be suspicious.
Oh, hi there, friend. It's me, your human. I take care of yous, 'cause you're a little baby. Let me give you your boops. Boop. That's right. Boop. Oh my God, Tony. Tony, watch out. Don't move.
All right, buddy, I'm going for my 1 rep max. Help me out. Oh, here we go, bud. Where are you going? Leo! Help! Leo! What are you doing?
Are you coming inside? We have been outside all day. Do you want me to come outside? Oh my, come on. Let's go inside, come on.
Hey guys, I'm here to give you your morning boops. Good morning, Timmy. Here's your boop. Boop. Billy, good mornings. Here's your boop. Boop. Oh, also, you guys are getting neutered today.
Did your friend come to see you? Squirrel.
But he's holding it with his hand. Oh, he's holding it with his hand.
Hi, buddy.
Oh, where's your ball? Where's your ball?
Hi, buddy.
Oh, no!
Yeah, I don't want to fall asleep. I don't want to pass away. I've been thinking of...
Stop.
1, 2. Down your tippy toes.
Thank you. I love you too. Oh my gosh.
Okay, give me love.
I got a shoe for you, baby. Hey, high five, high five. Hey, come on, slip me some skin. Get him up there. High five, high five. How about my tail, eh? I could be out there with you. I could be out there helping ya. With paws like this. Look at him scrub. Look at him scrub. Look at my tail. I want to get out there, baby. I want to give you a hand.
Making my way back home, been a long day. Time to see my fluffy dog. Scoo-doo-doo, scoo-doo-doo-doo.
For those of you who were asking why the yellow dog never got any pancakes, I will show you why. Jakey, come! Jake, sit. The yellow dog is picky. He doesn't like pancakes, but the other two do. Hey, Dave? He's picky. He's picky.
I want a dog. We're getting a dog.
A dog.
Yes.
D-O-G.
Yes.
Dog.
Mom, seriously, we're getting a
Never.
dog. Yes.
Never.
Yes.
Never. Wallahi.
Yes.
Wallahi, wallahi.
Yes.
A dog بيفوت على البيت. Come on. Mama, I love you, baby.
Yes, yes.
So look at her growling at
Yay,
you.
yay, yay, how much I miss you. Yes, I miss you. لكن جبت لك شي هاوني نعمني.
Dog in front of me is so excited for his coffee. I'm dying over here.